What's going on, guys? It's Tim here. This is my first video. I'm pretty hyped about it, so yeah, I just wanted to start making videos and talk to you guys about what I'm doing, the trades I've done in the week and the past weeks, go over what I'm looking at and the setups. Um, yeah, so let's get into it. So currently on Euro USD, didn't take any trades this following week. You can see it's in a downtrend. Got your 50 moving average here on the daily. I've actually got a sell limit right about here that hasn't been triggered yet. Yeah, which is a bit frustrating, but anyway, I'm going to hold it there and see what happens. Yeah, we're at a bit of a resistance line here and a moving average. Yeah, so as you can see, it's literally just above that wick there. So if it keeps hovering around that price, then it might sell later on in the week. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're looking to short on the Euro USD. Looks like it's a small uptrend going on here, but overall we're looking to short. We did have a trend line break here, but we're staying short until we see otherwise. So that's all really that's going on for me here. We're going over to the the USD JPY. I did have a trade here at the start of the week. What happened here was I closed my trade because I wasn't actually too confident in what I was seeing. I was hovering all around here. We didn't actually lose any money on here. We closed it at break even. We were hoping to get just a bit below this trend line here, but yeah, we got stopped out here. As you can see, we would have made the win, but there's a lot of speculation over this candle right now. Was it market manipulation? We're not too sure, but yeah, we were looking for a buy as well, obviously around this area, but we didn't really get too much. So right now USD JPY is looking pretty average and we're not too interested at the moment. USD CAD, we did make a trade on this pair this week. If we go to the daily, we kind of in a small uptrend. We did break a downtrend previously, and now we're starting to see higher highs here, lower highs, lower highs. So I believe it's in an uptrend. And as you can see here, I took a trade, a buy signal, and that was a really good trade. It was a 2-to-1 risk to reward, and yeah, that worked out quite well, quite quickly too. So that's always good. Yeah, we had 2 points of resistance here, and really enjoyed this trade. It was good. I won't really go into the strategy yet. I'll do a different video about that. But yeah, we got a 2-to-1 on USD CAD this week, so pretty happy about that. Still trending upwards as well, so we'll keep looking to buy this pair. So that is pretty much all we did on USD CAD this week. Probably going to look for a potential buy around this area here if it kind of keeps floating around. Once again, we'll only buy though if everything lines up with our strategy. USD CAD currently in a reversal position right now. I actually put a photo up on my Instagram and Twitter about this one, and yeah, we actually had a buy stop which didn't get triggered, and then this actually ended up becoming triggered about here somewhere. So you know, just stresses the importance of not chasing trades and actually keeping to where you first set your buys and sell points. It's all about your risk and reward. So I'm holding this right now, and this trade I reckon it's a reversal, so we're only going for about a 1-to-1, 1 to 1.5 at most. You can see it's actually in a pretty solid downtrend. So this is a riskier trade. Probably don't recommend going against the trend, but the way I trade, I try and do trend trading and reversal trades. But yeah, the reversal trades are usually only 1-to-1 or 1 to 1.5. So currently in this trade now, and we'll be looking to get out around this resistance line. So I guess we'll follow the week, see what happens. But currently in a small profit right now. We've got a bit of a divergence as well on the 1 and 2 hour time frame, so really like that. That's what most of my trades are based off of, some hidden divergence. And we'll see what happens later on in the week. We took this trade 2 weeks ago. It was a really good trade as well, as you can see. Really happy with that one. So I'll go over the strategy in another video if you guys are interested. But currently holding the USD CAD, and we're hitting the 2 on the 600 MA, so we'll see what happens. AUD USD, we did not trade this one at all this week. We were looking for a buy around this area, but nothing lined up not everything lined up, and we were looking to sell actually as well in the same thing. We didn't get all our requirements to take the trade, so unfortunately we didn't take this pair, but we were looking at the right areas, so it could have been a good profitable trade. But you stick to your strategy, be disciplined, and it doesn't matter if you miss trades because more will come. The market always presents more. So not trading at the moment on the AUD USD. It is in a downtrend, I believe, so we'll be looking to go short on this pair unless we see anything otherwise. But we've got a good line of resistance here, so it could be the start of a break and then move to the upside, but we will see later on. The GBP USD, we did not take any trades this week. We were looking at this area. Where were we looking? We were looking around here, but once again we didn't get all our confirmations, so we stayed out. I am currently looking around here too for another short, but we have to consider that we have a double bottom here too, so that could be a reversal sign. So we just have to see what happens when the market opens this week. But once again, never trade if not all of it lines up to your strategy. Stay disciplined and keep working towards your goals. New Zealand USD. We did take this trade this week. This was a reversal trade. Like I said before, trade reversals and with the trend. Currently you can see it's in a downtrend. It's a bit of a weird thing going on here, a bit of a sideways action, double top, but then we did get a break to the downside, so I think we're going to have a bit more of a push onto the downside. We did take this reversal and it worked out quite well. Placed the trade around here, which was probably a bit early, but all our indicators lined up, all of our requirements for the trade, and I'm happy I did because ended up going to bed and woke up in the morning with my profit. This was 1 to 1.5 ish, as you can see there, reversal trade. So I was really happy with that trade, and now it's continuing back down. I would have liked it to come up to this area for maybe a potential short, but we didn't get there, so we'll just see what happens again further on in the week. It might play around here and then maybe move back up here. If so, we'll be looking at probably short around this area, but we'll see what happens. The JBP GPY, I did take a trade on this pair this week. This is probably a pretty good one to talk about. So we can see here we had a trend line retracement and resistance. If we jump down to the lower time frame, this was a weird candle here. So we were coming from here, then all of a sudden we opened on the Monday. The market opened here and just shot straight up. So we were looking to buy somewhere around here. I'll drop down even further. And what happened was I was looking to buy in around this area, and I ended up getting in on this candle here, but because the spread was so high, it put my entry to about this point here, and I wasn't happy with where my entry was. Even though it did go up and high, I stayed disciplined to my strategy, and I didn't want to just hold a position where I wasn't happy about where the entry point was. So I ended up closing it about, here 10 points above or something like that. So I did get a small profit, but I think, in the game of trading, you've got to stay true to your plan and where you want to be in the market, not where the spread puts you. So it's important. Even though we would have made, a good 2-1 on this one, we got out early. It's just a good sign of discipline from myself and staying true to my plan, and the risk reward, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. It's key, risk reward. You've got to figure that out and stay by it, because that's what makes your trade winning. A winning trade or a losing trade is all dependent on the risk and reward. So there's a bit going on here. We're probably mostly in a downtrend. In an uptrend. We could have a bit of a head and shoulders pattern forming here, but for the most part, it's not an easy pair to trade, I don't believe. But there's a lot of velocity in this pair. But I just wanted to talk about that area because I wanted to get in about here, but I got out early due to where the market put it. Probably going to look to short this pair further on in the week, but we'll want to see what happens in this triangle where it breaks out. So we'll see. But that comes to the market research, guys, for the week, for the fortnight. I took that trade 2 weeks ago too. That was a really good one. Just wanted to document everything that I'm doing more as a journal for myself. And I'm not a professional by any means, guys. I'm just the average bloke, just a tradie working 9 to 5, trying to do Forex. So if you guys like this, give us a thumbs up. If you want to have a chat and talk about it, let's get involved and hit me up on the socials or whatever. Really excited to get involved in the community and see what else everyone else is talking and doing. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll speak soon.